They were joined by Bethany Land Institute, Tree Adoption Uganda, and received support from the roofing company Roofings Uganda. They began by planting 1,000 trees last weekend, marking one of the paths through which they aim to conserve the environment this year.
Tree Adoption Uganda, and with the support of Roofings Uganda, we're here to plant trees.
The leader of the Rotary Club of Ssonde, Christine Bernadette Alupo, explained that environmental conservation is one of the 7 areas of focus that Rotary has identified as sources of wealth, and it is a key priority for the club.
So environmental protection and conservation is one of the 7 areas of Rotary focus. And as a club, we take it very seriously because as we know, as we can all see and know what is going on around us, climate change is an issue.
Lazaalo Forest in Nandere originally covered 300 acres, but a portion of it was lost due to illegal logging and charcoal burning. The Rotary Club of Ssonde has pledged to take the lead in restoring this forest. The organization also includes young children, known as Rota Kids, who demonstrated that this work is achievable.
In Lazaalo Forest, now the history of this place is that we had 300 acres of forest cover, about 60 of which were degraded. And so as Rotary Club of Ssonde, we are contributing to the reforestation. We are planting trees and we will not stop until we have done a significant contribution.
Dr. Charles Olaro, former president of the Rotary Club of Ssonde, stated that having a healthy forest improves public health by enhancing food security in the area, preventing diseases, and mitigating extreme cold.
Because my classification is medical services, that climate change definitely has got health impacts. And one of them definitely, you've had people have heat stroke when the temperatures go up, but also it affects food security, which definitely is key because there's no population which can survive without food. So forest cover is key. But also on the other aspect, definitely refers to increase in outbreaks. Like Uganda has experienced a rise in cases of malaria. This is because of aspect of global warming.
Opata Peter Paul, head of the Service Projects Department, emphasized that partnerships are crucial across Uganda and that the club can make an impact in every sector, from schools in Ssonde to communities in Kapir and Moroto.
Came up with a very brilliant idea to partner with all those clubs. And environmental preservation is one of the objectives indeed, as you know, and we are supporting them as well.
On the side of the residents, Kavoma Derek from Bethany Land Institute noted that Lazaalo Forest had been degraded due to illegal logging, but organizations like Rotary have begun to breathe life back into it.
Mu kibira kino Lazaalo Forest, ekibira kino kyatandikibwawo emabegako era nga kyatandikibwawo bewandiise ba White Fathers abajja 1809 okulaba nga baspreadinga kye tuyita Christianity. So batandikawo enteekateeka z'okulaba nga basimba emiti gya rabba oba pala nga engeri emu ey'okulaba nga abantu be bayigiriza eddiini at least babeeramu ne ke balinako mu nsawo. Baba nga banaakola wano ne baddayo eka nga balinamu ke balinako mu nsawo yali idea. So tebyatambula bulungi, waaliwo ebyagwawo, the world war, sematalo. So ekiseera kyatuuka ng'ekibira kino plantation eno tebakyagifaako nnyo, naye nga wetumanya amaanyi g'obutonde ne gateekinga over ne gakitwala ekifo kino, obutonde ne bukyeddiza era ne bukola kye tulaba kati we bwasetinga ekibira kino. So obudde bweyongera okutambula mu 2000 awo abantu naddala abalinaanye ekibira kino n'abalala okuva mu bitundu ebirinaanyeewo nga Kampala baalaba nga wanooka yempenda gye basobola okuyitamu okulaba nga bafuna ensimbi.
Bethany Land Institute has also set its sights on the future, with plans to plant 1 million trees by the year 2050. As the Rotary Club of Ssonde targets planting over 20,000 trees this year alone, it asserts that its environmental conservation channels will have a lasting impact in the years to come.